The Nissan Altima's intelligent key system allows keyless entry and ignition. Pairing a new key fob involves synchronizing it with the vehicle's ECU using a specific process. This lets you unlock, lock, and start your Altima without a physical key. For 29 plus models, Nissan offers over-the-air updates to enhance security. However, physical reprogramming is still required for full functionality. Let's get started. Start with preparation. Make sure your Nissan Altima is unlocked with all doors closed. Have a genuine Nissan key fob ready, as aftermarket versions can have compatibility issues. Next, enter programming mode. Sit in the driver's seat. For models without push-button start, insert the key into the ignition. For push-button models, press the engine start button. Cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times within 10 seconds. Listen for a chime or horn beep to confirm. Now pair the fob. Within 5 seconds of hearing the chime, press any button on the key fob, like the lock button. The system should beep to confirm pairing. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you want to program, up to 4 total. Finally, exit programming mode by cycling the ignition one more time. Test the new fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle. If no chime occurred earlier, check the key fob battery. It's usually a CR2032 or the vehicle's battery. For 2023 and newer models, you may need a 10-digit PIN set via the infotainment system. If problems persist, consult a Nissan dealership.